Good morning, friends. Today is 10th of November and I'm Shuchi Rungta presenting you the morning market update. The Nifty lost 45 points over the day to close at 18,157. The market again opened with a gap up, hit the day's high in the first 5 minutes and then just stayed lower through the day, closing at the low point. The candle formed is not an encouraging one. Technically, the trend is still with the bulls as the indices have been making a series of higher highs. Prices trade above the moving averages and MACD is in the buy mode on the daily time frame. The momentum indicator RSI does have some early signs of negative divergences and have not been able to cross the 70 line. We will keep a close eye on the price action. 18,020, 18,000 is the immediate support zone which the bulls eye to protect, and any move beyond it will get the bears active. The sector rotation analytics on StockEdge app depicts banking sector to be the strongest with over 90% stocks with great momentum and trend. It's slightly overbought, hence a cautious action can be maintained here. Technically, Bank Nifty completed its V-shaped recovery and tested the previous swing high of 41,800 yesterday. How it deals with this number would be the deciding trend of the market. On the option chain data, we see some significant call writing taking place at the highest strikes of 18,200 and 18,300. FIIs were net buyers of 386 crores in the cash market, and international markets were weak yesterday, with all major indices losing around 2%. SGX Nifty is trading 67 points down at 18,126 currently. Dollar index has bounced right from a very important support and trades at 110.3. A move below 109 or beyond 113 will be the breakout levels. Levels for Nifty for today, support will be seen at 18,020 and 17,950. Resistance 18,215 and 18,300. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 41,630 and 41,350. Resistance 41,950 and 42,200. Thank you.